Welcome. In this video I will show you how to split screen on Windows 10. In order to split the screen on Windows 10, you can either grab the top bar of the application with one of the two applications that you can place on your screen, and then drag it to the side of the screen. Then release the window and select the other application you want to place into the other half of the screen. Next, you can change the size of each window by moving the bar between them. And alternatively, you can just select the window that you want to place and use a combination of Windows button and left or right arrow key to place it on the side of the window of the display. And then just like before, you can select the other application to be on the other side of the window. And right now you can use both applications simultaneously. And that's how a split screen feature works on Windows 10. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.